In Mozambique.
So Mozambique has joined South Africa for being xenophobic. We have a situation here. 42 Nigerians are arrested in Mozambique. So the government of Nigeria is condemning what Mozambique did by arresting these Nigerians. So I will read the statement from Abuja, from the government of Nigeria. It reads,
Mozambique. Saa be ukopio Mozambique Nigeria for 42 akwa akodi atutu asem na president anase emra eso mumu a de omo ka kire Mozambique efo ne say omo ye xenophobic minim say saa brofo na omo say omo ye xenophobic ya na minim say xenophobic no the word xenophobic na saa brofo no Nigeria for NTS de a minim ojisa omankasa kire de breme abia ye be call ma high jam media but more dey subscribe channel like na ebusoko ne ngu enye kakraka before be ko Mozambique am fi ifie fambo ene labia fon sensem no egusu ayekoso nkofo odusini na omode abanyina no mode abanyina na ebusia montam twukusi egum fufuo so no me de be back to back ma amunim say internet sensem organa no ho aha na bo samjo agere so dendende wonte so krompo so beteso timitimi masa ha monfa ncheme na memfa Ghana nsem mo Ghana nsem na okopiemu ewo in Krampumpuni Mantini, register Ghana Immigration Service arrested 93 Nigerians and rescued 73 people subject to severe torture. Just say anti-fraud operation. Waka and Nigeria for funny saying how do you call it? A process for etimi akwese said man which is the Ghana Immigration Service. Na ye baby say me ana me say this particular idea ekoso nyina no. We say here for and omo man happen till Ghana Immigration Service of one acquire sa operation ni na Ghana Immigration Service na mo na mo sa operation san kofo no mbe hye ho e be di sa anyamresem no abusua omo fa he ne bae me say o mama police fu adwuma kwaa de we o ma che wonde ko police fu e be wi ase jele o mo a nse omo straight police fu no mama wasam yenko tie Mozambique ensem a Tinubu Abuja na free bae let any free Tinubu ba ho Tinubu ebo for instance Tinubu the president regard Tinubu ai president our so gani ne ho na nsem free aye bae yenkuni nkutie let omodi free ho e de bre Mozambique for calling them xenophobic momodi nyam lasam efeni masem no e was Mozambique for the your friend is saying how do you call it nylon rubber bag ni black ni show mo kon sei na mu twege tu no komo hye mo sa na was omo yom sa na was omo yom because like I don't mean tiase yenkomra yeba edi nkomo.
It reads, NIDCOM seeks freedom for 42 Nigerians held in Mozambique. Dabiri Erewa flays arrest of 42 Nigerians in Mozambique. Request for their release. Abuja, March 8, 2026, worried by the arrest of 42 Nigerians in Mozambique without any offenses leveled against them. Honorable Abike Dabiri Erewa, Chairman/CEO Nigerians in Diaspora Commission, has condemned such acts and demanded for their immediate release. In a statement in Abuja signed by Abdu Ramna, the NIDCOM boss said that it is distasteful to learn that only Nigerians were allegedly handpicked for arrest. She said if they run foul of the law, the authorities should arraign and charge them before a court of law. She said the reported sudden and specific roundup of only Nigerians depicts a xenophobic attack on Nigerian citizens. Dabiri Erawe therefore urged the Mozambican authorities to immediately release the arrested Nigerians or let the law take its course. According to the report, the Nigerians were specifically singled out and arrested at a spare parts market out of all the traders and individuals present in the market without any allegations or explanations on why they were detained. The Nigerians arrested have been confirmed to be legally residents, and the Attorney General is reportedly not aware of any charges against them. They were allegedly beaten, their personal belongings stolen, and many of them are said to have fallen sick and in need of medical attention. So it is so sad to hear what happened to these 42 Nigerians. But the question is, how sure are they that they were arrested unlawfully? How sure are they that they did not commit any crime? How can police just go and single out a group of people and arrest them just like that for no reason at all? I'm asking these questions because are happening a lot here in South Africa. That Nigerians are being bullied, harassed, jealous of, all those things. without any reason. Even the organization that is here in South Africa representing Nigerians, it's always complaining about the bullying of Nigerians. It's always complaining about the harassment of Nigerians without any reason. So that is why I'm asking myself, how come the Nigerian authorities are already aware that these people are innocent? They were arrested unlawfully in Mozambique. And why is the xenophobia thing involved now? Why are they mentioning the xenophobia in this without even verifying if these people did something wrong in Mozambique? I hear this Nigerian sister saying it's xenophobia in Mozambique, but I don't think there's xenophobia in Mozambique. Mozambicans are all over Africa, even abroad, looking for greener pastures. Why are Nigerians in Mozambique in the first place? How can Mozambicans run away from their country because of hunger, because of all these problems that Mozambique is facing? Then Nigerians all the way from West Africa come down to Southern Africa, to Mozambique, the same Mozambique that its citizens are running away from because of the situation that is going on there, because of the crisis of hunger, unemployment, and all this. What were these Nigerians doing in Mozambique? So is the desperation of Africans that you can just go anywhere. And I think it was last year, I was so shocked to hear that there are Nigerians in Lesotho. How can someone from Nigeria, someone from West Africa, run to Lesotho? Is it how bad Nigeria is? Is it how bad the situation in Nigeria that a Nigerian can run to Mozambique, run to Lesotho? It's so strange. I'm shocked. Seriously, I'm shocked. But that's not the reason why I decided to react on this video. The reason is this xenophobia thing. That each and every time you complain about wrong things that are done by someone who is not from your country, you will be labeled xenophobia. A few months ago, it was Ghana, because they complained about the illegal activities done by foreigners in their country. Now is Mozambique. I don't even want to speak about South Africa because we've been painted black. We are wearing these jackets of xenophobia wherever we go because we are complaining about the illegality. We are complaining about people who are coming to our country illegally to commit crime. That is why they decided to cover us with this big cloud of xenophobia, to say we are xenophobic as South Africans. I think as Africans, we need to change the way we are thinking. We need to fight for our countries. These countries belongs to us. But we are allowing these politicians to behave as if our countries are their private properties. We have to stop running away from our problems. Let's fix our problems. So guys, please let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget.
Nti se okupi mu Mozambique dia. Nigeria for the money man edru. Enti why Nigerians are walking around Africa like everywhere ombe find themselves be they want to I come person omo jom home na. Ombe so like obi ehu se omo wo ho. But the moment I be try say wo kunu be soleti omo no. Peno na omaka choso xenophobia na so mpo omasem. I nkosesema tutu asem si na mkuno South Africa. Na South Africa for started so no mu di anyensini. Ena ho so omo ka kire omo so xenophobic and de omo no mbu mkuno no omo ka kire omo xenophobic. Ese odwini kofu wa wonti ase. Odwini sa nkofu wa wonti ase. Odwini Nigeria for wonti ase. Ane do muni e fani say Liberia for akakambum ena omo twen ye yabo so. Omo Nigeria for no. Omo ne Nigeria for no. Na me se nya sem we si yanka for more this why isa me tso mo kasa media so mo kasa ene Liberia for do mo ho Liberia for omo ye machine papa ba sa anko for na mo kasa insem hunu o media no so no Liberia for be na mo ho jo okopie mo kaso ho etutu asem ko twi ko abrema ye ku obi ato ye to Liberia for ka ho bi kaso ye hu Liberia camp no bi mram ho ye hu nyina Liberia for e ka ho bi. Liberians is among all those stuff. Enti omo Nigeria for na collaborate enye wonwa enti me ti so bi ka say na Liberia for mo ye am hwe ni pa din like what I don't know asana na so ka kire me omo ye wo hefa na tese omo ye Nigeria ni am se ye papa no wo oda ho sei ya waka na sa agu no ho sei Nigeria no ye papa no agisi wo oju no mo nti ase waka obi kuru so wudi nse hu no yese ko afide o freko no xenophobic the same way no mo ye na me say Ghana na de enye bibia wu eye president na ombi na no enka bibia emfa nkire mkrofo we no eno na ama omonya pan enti bibusa ye papa Sam George and immigration never subject your that cyber security one and some now I check for maybe say until you keep on like arresting these people no first of all how do you think that only immigration for Nkasa interior minister and foreign minister then what about the border because some of them find the buy okay almost a for the time previous government take time no mu and you know most start say mo chiche sa for no mo adna mo for be scapegoat much will be wadi ewu much will be or fraud must some lie ya the tire chiche so mo kon ya twa atum na nka bro Nigeria for nipa Nigeria for nipa e won Nigeria so wo wiade a enya de omo frɛ police ana so omo frɛ ye frɛ ne se soja ni ana so omo frɛ aban mu nipa straight no the tire shane kono ma hye se nipa kono why don't we practice that thing in Ghana e benefit for more apply be my yesramo because like omo hu say President His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Bejina ho no obejina ho no wakasa no or say there's no xenophobic in Ghana and Nigerians in Ghana are safe and omonya upper hand be like they keep on praising our president all the time kwasi ababi and ho tantantan no te ashama wo baby this is obiano ko nukrum na ho tantantan saga we esole a na odi Ghana for atem je say otimi di Ghana for nyina atem na Ghana police ehwe no Ghana police service ehwe no na ho say basa tantantan oba futa say odi Ghana for atem no the video na odi atem na oracle of truth e ma be on TikTok e kana sa mo de yenkon hwe that particular video ni emra yenko hwe
in Ghana. See, now this social media they make mouth. Local fools.
In as much as I have a lot of important issues at hand now, I say your man attention. A dear be so honor a jigua as ye sorry. One was a Ghana mine. Ya mrepa ya fu. Nanka sanso so wabusum we nipa mu nsemu ti se we ne kon ne ti nyina e bom we sadie we timi gina ho kasetia de ho Ghana empanimfo wo man no ya papa ne ya nanan wom ya maame mu wom na sa potoro we na so Ghana ebu ne eguso ba comment section no e ye sere yanko ala fini mojis nanka ye Ghana ni a enka duamboro koso obi anko personal no kosua no ma ba yo ni dua samusi mutimi buru nua mummuru ni nua no twade because me kwase sanya me gu ni video se mu hu sa baywa we start yare ana so fi media no so e me anoma yare me sanya ma we menye and obi kura me how kura me metna ha publicly na me beka but this very girl me I will mishandle her because me so me Ghana ni this year me maame ye Ghana ni ye ma ye Ghana for ye papa ne ye nananom ye nsew no mu enyinyini ebianya 80 years ebianya 90 years na this non-entity this good for nothing or scrupulous fool this barbaric thing this she goat will always sit with her neck and her head all fixed together. This Gomoro, this chimpanzee, will always sit and descend on Ghanaians. Now, your maya who quine and yama say, cause one baby yen. Why and never fight serious. When we want to talk about human beings, this uncompleted attachment, this good for nothing, this, I don't even know how to describe it. Amwasiwe. Na debia wa sore no de Ghana nim etwufom mesi obi anko fa snap ni kosua no mo ni dua mo ma mo ni mre sa ba wan we sei so me media ma fa ne personal me be soma nya me gu ni video because me ma ka kire wurade ma mo so start jimi me nkasa but me ye difo me ntena se ma we en sore de bia mfa Ghana me ka ho bi me ni mu fa me twufom na o ma ya timu no nya twom ne ha yen ne mu modi ni nua be ba be si live no be horo no. Someone who said a particular side of Ghana, try something crofo baby Ghana, my mother attack Ghana. As a Ghana, young sorry, I saw my mema and young mema. Nasa unquas ya same way coswa. The biarada. Be dear doc no qua. On to me free ni memu, snaha, and yen and nim to say, the ayam di binya sarano, where ya shebrebia only be your bedi cry and a dini sorry, I come macron to me when it be sad dear, we are sorry to be at the Ghana in my phone. Trust and pride before a fall, and a healthy spirit before distraction. Some of us will not sit and watch this empty barra to misbehave towards Ghana. We go pulling your meguni video. A time is coming, and that time is now. We need to stop all sort of nonsense.
Video no Don't say video no. Ena Ghana we kona Ghana for good comment section wo no mo sensor so Ghana for na ya yankro for ya no comment section mo so na wo jimi na me hu se obi a comment say on fan say baby anso nka na Ghana bai bechi no esen so wo Nigeria nti no akofa ade e na wo baby di asan jimi for ba kosoro kopo ne ho tantan me si we o mendi o matam ba sa ba we di no what oyo futa to this thing say unim hu like netekra yankopon de ball no menye se yankopon kwa ne ball no na de Nigeria for no yankopon ni Nigeria for because Nigeria for yankopon ni o man ko mo nyese oba futa these people are causing chaos like atrocity bad name and omoji wonko fokroso no money manfrafo na akabum and I say the more Ghana for your medals Ghana for say na why kum di pacha Nigeria for Alitarians eat human flesh na Alitarian edi Alitarian in surumuja mukro na mo hwi ni panam omu wani panam omu boba ni panama pesi yet yempeni ne te wo mu nka hwe na mo de operation na jaba kwa ne say ba so na nkrofo demonstrations ahodo ne beba na there was a citizen arrest no only kwase ya arrest foreigners. Next citizen arrest e ba so a ye be mana ba so no de enye foreigners ne ye de ko mo so enye foreigners sorry enye mpenifo no na wo se wo mo ye sorry wo mo so aden 93 wow 93 let me check this thing 93 Nigerians and we rescue 73 victims anti-follow like I mean and a field of four landladies keep on giving these people a place to rent and more time on rent no more go ho no more being minim agent for agent ko mo do mo na mo sa agent for na mo di ni sa Nigeria for ni podan mo de Yankopon hu mobo Ghana sase eso abusum na eso tumfo na esunsu entom so wre mo ya bone fo to distance mo na mo kan ma nyama bone ko so kuruma na de bia me ka me say mo mugu like minim ko for ko mugu o mo ye order from above o mo ma like den ko for wetin because if no order from above e part of we catch immigration for etni convince mo do mu room people say na mu kura then ye check who say sankofu we omo nye na ye kwatwe omo so a na ya say trouble so gbe ya 93 Nigerians 70 Nigerians 1 something Nigerians they keep on coming still na ye must sankofu we kwan these people are spoiling our name using our passports using our Ghana cards using our documents to do bad things in our own country. Omo de call foreign country could dibone and kwapo de aban no no mbedi yankase ye krom su ko mu de dibone ye chi wo mo a ye mfi omu de dibone se ye din won kofa man so nwa chi bi ha na mu de mo di agoro at now 21 ay kwachi wo mo 100 and something we see afi mu bedina kumase a mo se ye deport olosho 430 42 20 50 the olosho from Gukumase, a show from my base bra tutu bra HIV ni nkromba o me Nigerian for o me 30 no Gukumase ye tie wudifu a mo chi Nigeria for wudifu a yente hwe ye chi Nigeria for my fraud no we ya deport o nipa na ya chi no nipa boni ni bonsam kromfo tutubotom a wonye obekun ya chi no ne na kwatan migration came ni amman kokoti na wosre no na ya chi no wa feel comfortable no say cheese e kire Ghana camera e kan kresi ya mompe me say yenyi twini srada ye utu various houses o me de mintimi nye me sole e bekun e be say enti na mpanifo e de omho asi wo e pesifo de omho asi wo say bra e pesifo say bra o de be dwane wo mo support no woni sika a de be mo say monje na mo de letter company we ni mo de afaka mo de financial petition bi company fo a impedifo am be kono mo be faka mo be say yesi ba akofo nsantimi nkata nyankopon ani entini mi ntimi mboa mo enti wo de metimi say me be join ku no ni nya ya sha ideas na wadwe na wo person ka wo de ba na wo ntimi mfa ma na wo de ba wo say be ku ato atwen family pesifo no mo fa nka mo de ho no mo ntimi mfa nko eku we ni ani nkunim. They are the people who enkuden me say we send lo moko tamale a petition akoto honom obi ati video no top gossip concerning the cause atrocities burning chaos and before we cause no mem eye negative nkwanye positive they have young can say upon all those stuff that they are doing, they don't like us. Omunye yensem omu chese hwede omu akota na Liberia for eche omu ye mon Liberia for orphans it is orphanage home. Librarians in Ghana, like you guys are orphans, orphanage, like mu orphanage pa na he sava kantanka no onu aduane onu jollof no dey blend Liberia for enema betitwi mo keka nkwasi asem ebi mabo dwumu fi tantan wo ye fo papa mo sankrofo no mo sankrofo ma pio media no so no nse ebi mo se papa wo Liberia for papa wo fo so obi wo medi bone obi wo medi atem obi wo nim se Ghana for abo o mamu bebi atenanti no on de ne ho so ne de o ma media no so mo tatatete mo nim fi jinisem kwa Austin no yemfa no kran kasem no Austin de na oye den okoharaze efani se obi a oye se onyimu asebe but yenka se kuno moku na ye de we need justice police for aches ankrofo mi no sese no ayetoto o ma no modam so where from the hate and I feel the Kwame Nkrumah kra efani se Liberia ni and hwan jimisem kwa talking rubbish senseless. You don't have anything to say on the media because Ghana for na ma pa hand and amonye baby at na Liberia camp ntwam wa bi sisa abusua subscribe channel like na ebuso kono ngonye kakraka GMA media osomfo de na ya studio line da hono utim de audio faso wa membo am audio sinana mo fa nchame me de bebre mebo abo no de ni nya de abramo mo nsene mo so mfa mbra wo de mo nsene mo se de be ebo no long what nko wana se na bi betim eboko ya wo mbo me de mebo nya bo tremebo ati makache Sam George mo ne Sam George nkasa no hwe internet ni nsensem no ya na ateko anti nkwa na data na e bawe wense mo ne nkasa na bibia ntinya boko abuzia na me obesi bomoden na share your thought with me on the comment section. It is what it is. Yebeko so aka no kwande akire yema no se mesi o meyi bibi a o meyi so mbechichi egu so meyi den o mumla ya twen o epese force bra o mo number no ene da details ne da screen so no number bibi a homo wa woni number MTN o person support epese for monje na mutu kwan mo kwa paniwe nim ebi amode snap ebi amode we ne beko ho monje na momfanka mfoto ho na mokubi amode akọ na yina yemfa o ma no emfanko bi epese de ko bi papa na ye achieve dream papa na epese ye achieve no o de mo ombeje bank details na woso no sanso na mobile money no so ye MTN epese na Ghana omudi na woso o send ya no bomodin ama maso ati ana se opa se o join no mo a ram DM na memomodin info number ni fama authorities no so authorities no mo ho no Mr. Sante na Mr. Peter na o maka na o mo join no na bibia ntime boko it is what it is mami phone see say akra bye bye.